Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna be making these delicious organs. In Swahili we call it matumbo. Karibuni nyote tupike pamoja. So the first thing we'll do is to defrost the meat, and for me I always like to use warm water just to make the process go by so quickly. The next thing we'll do is to make sure the meat is clean before we cook it. As you can see, our meat is clean and ready for the next step. We'll start by preparing some of the spices that we'll be using for our recipe. Our spices are all blended. Now we'll start cutting the meat into small pieces. All our ingredients are ready, but before I start cooking, I'll let the meat sit for a few minutes with a little bit of the spices on them. Basically, I'm using blended onions, a little bit of oil, and salt to marinate the intestines. Here we have all the ingredients that we'll be using. We have our organs, salt, blended tomatoes, and onions. So we'll go ahead and turn on our heat and move on with our cooking. For this cooking, we're not going to add any oil because the meat already has excess oil in it. The fun part about this recipe is that we're not gonna fry anything. We'll add all our ingredients in the pot and let them cook. Also, we will not add any water because our tomatoes and our onions already have water in them. We'll go ahead and mix everything together before we cover our pot. So the final part is to make sure our meat doesn't run out of water before it's ready. We'll keep on checking and turning until our organs are fully cooked. So here we have the final result. Yeah, looking good, and of course tasting delicious. Thank you so much guys for sticking with us up to this moment. See you next time. Bye bye.